Hello everybody, I'm Sammy15 the Dragon Team here today. Welcome to Pokemon TCG Online Competitive Standard Friday. Each and every single Friday for the most part, we take a look at a competitive deck in the standard format and just play a game. We don't do deck lists or anything like that. You know, we just take a competitive deck and play against another competitive deck, or at least somewhat competitive deck in the standard format. And today we're playing a deck I like to call Steel Toolbox Elixir. It has Aegislash, Genesect, and all that fun stuff. And right before I posted this online, right before I uploaded this video to YouTube, I posted this video, at least I should have, posted this list on Twitter. And another thing I'd like to mention is the fact that I did also, wait, what did I do? Yeah, I also got a new overlay. My friend Cody Cressman gave that to me, so all props go to him. So he did a pretty good job. And of course, once again, we're playing OBS Sounds. Not OBS, but NCS, no copyright sounds. So I recommend checking those guys out. They're pretty good. Put down the post on the Genesis. We can always bring it back up if we need to. Because the wonderful, wonderful ability seems to be playing a water box deck, so that's interesting. Let's see. Well, we want to get rid of a metal energy or two. Want to get rid of an N. Metal energy. We got rid of a... Okay. Well, let's get rid of AZ. Everything else I pretty much want to hold on to. I mean, I want to get rid of the life center and put that in discard pile, but... Yeah, well. Kind of want to just hold on to this hand. I'm honest. But I think I can get a couple more things. Ah, they needed that end. Well, at least we keep it more interesting. There's that. So... we'll do that, and drive change, put that back into my hand. Actually, no. Well, my opponent can actually attack me with Toad this turn, so I want to put that there. And I'll just hold on to this. Pass. I can Metal Links next turn, so pretty much everything else I want. So yeah, I have OBS Sounds, new overlay, all that fun stuff. I haven't been recording that much this week. The reason for that is because on Monday my face just hurt so much from having a cyst. Like, it was very uncomfortable for me to talk for too much at a time. I did briefly try to get a video or two, but none of them were really that good. So yeah. On Wednesday, I did actually manage to get a video together, but by the time I was able to do so, it was about midnight and there was no point in me uploading. So that'll be next week's video. That will be a Kingdra. That will be Kingdra. Wait, what was that deck? I got the deck already. I'm bad. Oh, it's Ryoku, Magnezone, Kingdra. So, yeah, apologize for not having that. And let's see. You know what, just take out the Manaphy while we can, I guess. Rabbit Blaster, get rid of one energy. We have plenty more energy, so we should be fine. Worst case scenario, we can retreat, I guess. We just take a quick prize, 2 prizes, and we're good to go. So, yeah, that's why I didn't do it Monday and Wednesday. And the reason why I haven't been streaming either is because I now have AT&T, and AT&T is very, very laggy for streaming. So, apologize about that. I'm sorry, you know. So, opponent's gonna get a Hoopa out. Probably gonna get everything else he needs there. But, is there anything else I want to talk about? Yeah, I probably won't be streaming anymore in the near future, so I apologize for that. Um, hmm. I don't know. I guess there's nothing else we need to talk about. So, anyway, my opponent got a Hoopa, got those Pokemon out, got the Shaman. I'm aware that, like, at the end of the day, I mean, I essentially just got 2 free prizes off of that. That's my mindset, you know. I'm getting in down to 1, but I actually don't mind that with my current hand. I don't mind that too much as long as I can get energy, really. If I can get energy, I think I should be fine. Do get an energy. I also get a Pokemon Ranger, but that doesn't really matter, really. I'm just going to attach for turn, really. Links again. Slowly have an Aegislash. That's going to be kind of cool. Gonna Rabbit Blaster. Not going to discard any energy, just going to straight to 100. This alone is applying pressure that I kind of need. So, I think my opponent's going to try to retreat, do some damage that way, I guess. Yeah, opponent's going to retreat. Quakey Punch again. Opponent's pulling off this strategy perfectly of how he needs to beat this deck. More or less, anyway. Gonna retreat. Slash Blast for 100. I honestly should have drive changed and put it onto the Bronzong, because now you can just retreat. Not retreat, but Lysander, bring it up the Bronzong and just do a bunch of damage that way. I would not be surprised if the opponent does that. That was a misplay on my part. It's possible my opponent also decides to just... Yeah, it's also possible my opponent just wants the Lysander to kill the Genesect. Because I've proven right now that I don't have anything in hand. It's possible I could top deck something great, which would be awesome. Opponent's going to use Via Seeker Zerosic. That's interesting. So opponent definitely just wants to keep this play of just try and make this difficult for me, I guess. Interesting. One's probably going to retreat again. Energy switch. Possibly Lysander again. Yeah, Lysander, just bring up that thing. Grenade Hammer. I have been dead wrong, so this might actually be the reason why I lose. And 2 low Floatstone are also gone, so that's... I think I'm in a pickle no matter what. I would have liked this to be a Genesect instead. Put that up. Alright, Lysander, that's great. Now, do I bring up for an EZ? Because I'm doing 140 as it is. That's not enough to kill anything. Not really. I do play another floatstone, but I actually don't have Lysander. Derp. Not Lysander, but so gonna end. I don't have Sycamore. I thought I had Sycamore. I could swear I did, but whatever. I might as well put that there. For 130. So no matter what he puts up, I am going to be knocking out. Opponent has used a lot of energy switch, I believe. Just 2, actually. I thought he did more than that. So opponent's probably going to want to, you know... I should have just Lysander killed something, but at the same time, this kind of puts me in a better position. So now I don't have to worry about just suddenly being knocked out in my turn. Especially as a Rosic, which would suck. Opponent decides to Quaking Punch me. Come on, top deck Sycamore. Oh, baby. Is there a point in me having that at this point? Well, I might as well attach return to a Bronzong. I may have to use a break. Why can't I use Via Seeker? For some reason, I cannot use... Oh, wait, he did Quaking Punch me, derp. He did do that. Is doing 60 damage worth anything? Slash Slash for knockout. Maybe I should have just Metal Links there anyway, but... I don't know. There's an Ultra Ball. So if I were my opponent, I wouldn't actually... Well, my opponent kind of has to, I think. Opponent actually uses Hex Maniac. Which, that'll actually... Hex Maniac just kind of prevented me from winning. Which is unfortunate, but... Well, I might as well get Escape Rope and Sycamore. Attach return. Well, if I can get 2 Max Elixirs. Nah. That was a I usually don't do that shit. Whatever. I usually don't do stuff like that. Usually. Alrighty. And him down to 2. 2 life center are gone. I'll retreat to Bronzor. And effectively, I just need to hope for the best. I doubt my opponent doesn't have Lysander. Opponent's going to retreat. Fighting Fairy Belt make it really hard for me. Opponent may Quaking Punch me here, or my opponent just wants to take the knockout. It is a curious. Opponent actually decides to do the Grenade Hammer out. Just take the prize. And it was saying, literally saying, you better not have this. Wait, hold on, it's not even. Alright, let's get rid of that. I think that was a misplay. Was it? 170. Yeah, so that was a misplay. And my opponent misplayed pretty badly there, I think. But though what my opponent should have done is just Quaking Punch, because then I would have to find a way to retreat. Because now I was like, now he just knocks me. It's like, oh, okay, so okay, I just win. I think my opponent was thinking, yeah, just take the prize and move on. Then my opponent's like, oh, derp. So that was that. There's that. But so dumb stuff like that happens to me too. I do some stuff like that all the time. So. Anyway, I'm Sam with the Dragon Team here. Hope you guys liked today's video. Please like, subscribe, and all this stuff. I should be uploading a video tomorrow or Sunday. No promises, but I should be uploading a video. Again, this was no copyright sounds. If they are exactly what they say they are. I hope you guys enjoyed that list. It was, I believe, House playlist. Once again, overlay goes to Cody Cressman, my good friend of mine. And yeah, please. Subscribe, all the silly stuff. Twitter is no longer really a thing for now. I'll try to get Twitter fixed. Not Twitter, I mean Twitch. I should be uploading, my list should already be on Twitch. I mean Twitter. I always get those things confused. And yeah, please subscribe, all the silly stuff, and I shall see you guys hopefully next time!